In problem number 31, we're asked to find where the average rate of change equals the instantaneous rate of change on an interval. Sounds like a mean value theorem type question. And even though this question is in the calculator section, we don't need to use a calculator to answer this one. We just need to do a bunch of algebra. So let's get started. Remember that the average rate of change is found with a difference quotient. If we want to see when this is going to equal f prime of c. So f of b, if we do a little bit of scratch work, f of b given the function f that was provided is going to be 1 over b, and f of a is going to be 1 over a. So our difference quotient is going to have something like this: 1 over b minus 1 over a all over b minus a. This is going to equal f prime of c. Well, again, a little scratch work over here. F prime of t is going to be negative 1 over t squared. So f prime of c is just going to be negative 1 over c squared. Okay, it looks like we have to do some algebra now. Let us continue. We'll start by combining these fractions in the numerator, and we'll get a minus b over a times b, and the denominator b minus a is unchanged. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, now we're back to the right slide, the right page. Let's continue. If we make this denominator look like a fraction, you see that we're going to divide by this fraction by multiplying by its reciprocal. And we're getting closer, and we want to get c by itself, but we have to do some work on the left side first. Now, if you look closely, we have an a minus b in the numerator and a b minus a in the denominator. Those won't cancel out or eliminate each other right now, but we can do this trick where we factor out a negative 1 from this denominator, and then we'll have a minus b. You can see if we distribute the negative 1 times a and negative 1 times minus b will give us the same value. So now, think of it like this. We'll have a minus b all over a times b times 1 over negative 1 times the quantity a minus b equals negative 1 over c squared. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Now, this factor of a minus b in the numerator and the factor of a minus b in the denominator, they eliminate each other. And we'll have negative 1 over ab equals negative 1 over c squared. So now we'll cross multiply, divide each side by negative 1, and to get c by itself, we'll square root. Oops. Now they told us that we're dealing with only positive values, so we can conclude that c equals the square root of ab. Now let's go back and see which one of the answers listed matches our answer. Way up here, it looks like answer B is the one that matches our work. It's just an exercise in algebra and a little bit of calculus. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.